Okay, good morning children.
Morning,
Morning,
Teacher
Teacher
Charlie.
Charlie.
Okay, before I begin my lesson, Shaida, are you ready? Do you remember the rules? Crisscross,
Applesauce, hands on your legs, watching eyes, listening ears, thinking hands.
Okay, so now that you are ready, let's begin our lesson. Remember last week we went to River Safari, right?
Yes.
What is the famous animal we saw in River Safari?
Panda.
Yes, Nabila, when you speak, you need to raise your hands. Yes, Nabila? Very good. So right now, I'll show you two pictures. Do you recognize these?
It's my house.
It's like your house,
Like
right?
my house.
And how about
My
this?
house don't have that.
Oh, nice.
Remember the red
This one
panda
the raccoon.
and the panda. This is
Yes.
not a red raccoon. Remember, we went to see this animal last week. Afiq, do you remember? What is this called, children?
Red panda.
Okay, so now I have two pictures for you. Both pictures shows their living environment. So can you spot the difference? Okay, so now that we have identified the differences between these two, what we are doing today is we are going to create the living environment of pandas.
Wow.
Okay, and how are we going to do it? Remember, we went to look for some bamboo around us, but we didn't find any.
Yeah.
But we found some other things. What did we find?
Twigs.
Yes, Afiq.
Tick.
We found twigs.
We found dry leaves.
We found dry leaves. Yes. Okay, children. So what do we have here? What is this?
Dry leaves.
What is this?
Twigs.
Okay. So right now I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Okay.
Okay.
So before we begin, I need all of you to take a piece of paper.
Okay.
And your hands are not supposed to be on the paper, okay?
Okay.
Hands off the table, please. Okay. So now with this piece of paper, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So now
Okay.
think. How do you think a panda environment look like?
There's twigs on the floor.
Okay. So for example, to Teacher J, panda environment look like this.
You are teacher.
So I will draw using a pencil.
What is that?
That's my panda environment.
Is that the bamboo?
Yes. Okay. Then after I have drawn out an outline, what I will do is I will choose the materials I want and stick them using the glue.
Okay.
But we only have two glues, right? So what should you do?
We have to take turns. Share.
Okay, so do you all understand what you need to do now?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'll give you the materials and you can begin.
I
Only
know
when we
what I
have
want.
extra time, then we will color, okay?
Teacher J,
Do you need help?
can I break the twig?
Come, let me help you. Do you want to try?
Yes, but I want to make it shorter because I want it to be like that.
Is this okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, children, are you done?
Yes.
I see that many of you have wonderful drawings. Okay, so now we will go one round and share our drawing with our friends. Okay, Nabila, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so who would like to begin? Okay, Shami would like to begin. Come, Shami, please share your drawing. children, I will put your drawings up on the wall and then you can take a look at it during break time or free time, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, children.
Yay.
Please pass me your drawing and pick up.